I'm gonna do a craft room tour. I did one when I first moved in and got up here, and I thought it looked so cute, you know, and it was cute, and it is cute. I have a great room. I mean, I'll walk you through the room. My issue is I feel like it's just a hot mess right now. It just feels like a hot mess. Like, and I know I'm gonna be moving in less than a year, God willing, in God's timing. But y'all, I might need some help. I need y'all in your comments below. I need some help in some ideas because, well, I'll walk through the tour and I'll show you where my pain points are, and you can kind of offer some advice. I don't know how to solve some of these problems. I'm very, I don't know. I'm just puzzled. So I'm gonna do a craft room tour so you can kind of see that. And that's always kind of interesting. I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of binging craft room videos because I'm looking for ideas, and I have actually ordered some things, and I'll tell you what's new and what I've done differently in the last, let's say, 4 or 5 days. And then I'll tell you where I'm still stuck and what I'm struggling with. So you guys, let me know your thoughts. All right, just a second. I'm gonna pop over. I'll be coming up the stairs because I'm in an attic space. You can kind of tell, actually part of my issue, the ceiling is this, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm gonna come up the stairs and I'll show you where I'm at, and we'll walk around and we'll go from there. All right, see you in a second. Okay, you guys, as I walk up these stairs and carry this phone around, I'm gonna try not to be too wiggly. Here's my stairs. All right, so I come up the stairs and I have this 4 cube, like IKEA deal. And I've actually recently put those albums in there. I actually had, you can see a little white box that's turned on its side, and I've done that because Cleo likes to lay in there. She's not there right now, but she does like to lay in there. And I don't have room for it because I have albums there. And that's gonna be one of my biggest pain points is my albums. And I'll show you in a minute. I just have a few things here. That's just disorganized, y'all. Those Bibles are gonna go in our foundation as soon as I get the green light that we're gonna get that done. That's just a little display that I've had forever. So what I have is I have this slat wall that goes along this wall here. And as you can see, because I'm in a finished attic, I only have about 3.5 feet of vertical space. And that is what's causing me the biggest issue. Those are little plastic pieces that go in the slat wall. I'm not using those. You can tell I'm not using the little hooks or anything yet, or right now. That little gate there is going to go in the new house. I don't know why I've already bought that. That's for our doggy room. So if you come down the wall here, you can see I've got like punches stored there. I have some stamps and stuff hanging off, and I need to kind of go through and purge too, because those flowers, as an example, I've already purged a bunch of flowers. I'm really not using them. That's another spot Cleo likes to sleep, so I just left it there at the moment. There's some other little things. There's some tools and stuff. You can see my crocodile and my other crocodile, and then I have some stuff kind of stuck down in there, tools and stuff. I think I need like drawers and stuff, and I'm sorry, I have to go around something, and I'll show you in a minute. So here's my wall. I have a few ribbons, not many. Some mixed media. You can see my sprays down there. I have some paste I have gone through recently, and those are all good as far as I can tell. All the Nuvos are good. Again, it's not like it's crazy bad, but I don't know. I just struggle with it. I have some paints and things there. Now I get over here. I had all these plastic trays like in the stores, and they're in those boxes now because I felt like they were just taking up so much room, and I need to really get organized anyway for the new craft room where my mom and I are going to be. So I thought, you know, they take up a lot of space. I'm going to reorganize myself. That's crap. That's like an air conditioning thing that doesn't work. That's the water bowl for the kitties. That right there is something else. There is washi tape in those 2 plastic containers there. I actually like that solution. I won't be changing that. And then I have photo boxes. And I may need to, and I'll show you in a minute, I may need to get some more of those and change how I'm doing some stuff. Again, those boxes are just taking up space. I need to take them down. That's my tea kit cart, y'all. It's not technically crafting, but I use it to make tea kits for my daughter's club. That is a cart that I have my silhouette, my printer, my label maker, and then stuff on the bottom. And I feel like I need to organize that differently because right now I struggle because, like, I don't know, trying to get into my printer, trying to get in my silhouette, I don't know, that's just a mess. This is actually my work desk. So I do like it there. It is a standing desk. I have a treadmill. I have 2 computers because one is my personal computer, which runs my silhouette and all that kind of stuff. But as you can see, it's sitting on the edge there. I'm thinking of the bottom shelf. I need to take that stuff out and move like my printer down maybe, and try to get maybe my silhouette down a shelf, or maybe I'll rotate, I don't know, and put the computer on the top. I don't know. I don't like that. So y'all tell me. Over here, you can, like, this my work desk. I have recently got that pen organizer because I had them all in a little container that I never looked at. It was like a bag. Never looked at it. So I've moved it out, and I'm enjoying that. That's where Saturn used to sleep. The other kitties don't really sleep there, so I don't know. I may get rid of that. Like I said, Saturn, you know, she's gone. She doesn't sleep there anymore, so. Now you get into some space here. I actually don't hate, but kind of hate. I have 3 cubes. Those are Michael's cubes. My issue is, so I've reorganized, and then I just realized I broke my own rule. I had put my paper collections up here. I had them here. That's like a random cube of stuff, and I may need to switch that out because, and then that's like Hip Kit stuff. That's all like cardstock here. And then this is like this is my theme papers. And then there's like some papers in here, paper pads and stuff like that. I feel like this is kind of a waste of space because it's like, I don't know, I have these 2 spots here, but I don't know what to stick in them. I need to get, maybe I can measure that and get some acrylic drawers to put tools in. That might work because that's just sitting there right now. There's nothing there. This right here, again, I might need to move because I moved some collections here, my 49 and Market and all that. But now they're not with my collections, which is where I kind of intended. And this thing here, I had it on my desk, and I'll show you in a minute, but it took up so much space, I didn't have enough workspace. Over here, I have, this thing's holding like a cutter and stuff. It's kind of honestly waste. That is where I put my metal dies. I actually like that. I need to label that better, but maybe it could go somewhere different. I don't know. That is trimmers and a bunch of junk. And then that's where my Big Shot's sitting. And then there's this space up here that's kind of empty. So maybe I could do something, move the junk up there. I don't know. Then that's got all these old planners and stuff in here. This is the only door in this space. And those are all shoved in there, you guys. And then this here, like I said, I've actually been buying these new things. I saw them on somebody's channel, and I do like them. I like to label. I'm a labeler. I did have these 2 things. That's actually got all my thickers. I had them in a row with this guy, but because that I can do this and have 2 on top of each other and shave my space a little bit. But I don't know. I've got Vicky Boot and stuff here. That's on my enamel dots. And again, I'm thinking of organizing them differently. They're by color and stuff, but I don't like that thing it's in. That's got a bunch of card stuff down there, and then that's like journaling cards and stuff. This is part of my issue. By pulling all that stuff and moving stuff around, I have all these photo albums that won't fit anywhere now. This right here, I have to leave that return open because I have to have airflow. And I mean, you said I have a couple little small things in front of it, but I can't put anything in front of it, so I lose all that space. There's more photo albums and more. This is like my Disney and Graphic 45 stuff. And then I've actually just recently redone this. I got rid of a bunch of my wood stamps. That's all I kept of my wood stamps. I had a whole bunch. It was all just jammed in there. It was terrible. There's a bunch of mini albums, and then there's more stamps in there, like wood stamps that aren't in a collection like that. And then I recently had all these in one of those drawers, but I was like, I'm not using them. I can't see them. So I actually bought, and I'll show you a second, a new organizer for my Distress Oxides because I had moved my Stampin' Up! Inks from there to there to put my Distress Oxides in, but I was like, I don't like that situation because now I have those 3D printed things that used to hold my Distress Oxides, but they wasn't enough anyway, but now I have a bunch, so maybe I should sell those. I don't know. They were kind of pricey. I do like this little thing that was on my desk, but my craft desk, but it took a bunch of room. So now you can see I've got photo stuff down there. And then I have these 4 cubes with stuff in it. I have a Zutter, and I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of it. I never use it. It's taking up space in that thing. I just need to be smart about it. I have a scrap rack. I do tend to use it. I have skinnied it down. I had a double one. I've skinnied it down, but I still feel like, I'm not sure. And again, you can see my limitation is this vertical space. Like I just don't have the height. So here is my craft desk. And what I have is I have a cart. And I feel like I need to get into that as well. Oh, that's Miss Evie, by the way. Oh, that trash bag, by the way. I was trying to clean stuff up and they decided to sleep on it. So that's what happened. That is my craft cart. I have my acrylic titles down there. I have, I'm sorry, my finger's doing that. Adhesive down there on the bottom. In the middle, I have like sequins and things. And my top is like my most reached for things, except for I will say my little, well, you guys, I got cut off because I have an alarm set. My brushes right here on that top part, I don't use them as often, so I feel like I could possibly move those, but I need to go through my tools and what I'm really not using all the time, because in that top part I also have, well, this is my label maker and I've been using it very regularly right now, so it's kind of in the just thrown in there. But I have like my creative listing stuff, and I really enjoy that, but I haven't been doing it as frequently, so maybe it needs to get moved. I have like my cutting tools and stuff, my punches. I do use these fairly regularly, but I could move some stuff, I'm sure. This is where I did have that thing there. I had it here. Well, it was taking up so much space. So I've taken it off. I bought a new organizer for pens because, again, I've got all these pens. Y'all, I'm a pen freak. I do like my glass mat. I mean, all that. That one there, I tend to use a lot. I do put like my active stuff in it. Like I'm working on my layouts on the bottom. Those are my layouts. I have my ScrapRoom stuff, my counterfeit kit. That's my monthly like obligatory hop, if you want to call it that. And then the very top sections where I kind of put the ones I'm kind of working on. You can see I've got let me come over here. So I have another little project cart right here. That's what I had to avoid a minute ago. And I'm not using it effectively. Like it's not actually my projects. I'm just using it as a storage area. So what a waste. I didn't even point out the fact that I've got a cat tree that's on the back side of my desk here. The cat's sleeping in it, you can see that. And that's the dog toys, puzzles, and an air conditioner because it's 9,000 degrees up here half the time. So behind my desk is this, and you can see I have an IKEA Calyx and then like a mock-up or whatever you call it. And I've had these albums here and all these down here and all those there. I just recently took the albums out of those two sections because I'm like, this is taking up so much space and I'm not effective. So hold on, I'm sorry, let me come around. So this is what I mean. I got this the other day to hold my distress oxides. I'm liking this because I can turn around and just grab it. And then this is my Vicky Bouton collections that I technically have more, but that's the ones I kind of get into the most right now. And then I got these Copic organizers. Those were also in like a bucket and I never used them and I forgot about them. There's my sorting tray. I don't like how I have to do my trimmers. So the trimmer sits there. I got that one sitting there. I tried these hooks and they don't hold it. They just fall right off. I have this cart here. Sorry, I'm stepping on the dog bone. That cart there, I'm enjoying that. It's okay. It's stuff I don't get into a lot. So I do like having it there though. So there's that. And then I have the back of the door deal where I've got punches and some stamps. That is my wet bar where I make my energy teas. So that is my room. That's my little bathroom, by the way. I'm not going to show you in there because there is a cat box and nobody wants to see that. But that's a nice little bathroom. And then on the back side here, I have this bookshelf. I started sticking albums down here. That is taking up more room. And of course, this is all the games and stuff. These had to come up here though because my mom is in the room where I had those originally. So that is my craft room, guys. I have plenty of like square footage, but somehow, some way, this is not making me happy. Like it's just so all over the place. I have albums there. I have albums there. I have albums there. Like I have so many albums. So if you guys have any ideas on how to store these albums, I would love it. Love, love, love it. And I may start doing little videos again as I organize and get ready to move and maybe purge. I don't know. But yeah, so if you have ideas, share them with me. Share your favorite organizing products down there. And I'm definitely on the mission. I'm on a mission. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk soon. Bye.